Good afternoon, ma'am. We are here to present to you our system called EduLib Nexus, a comprehensive library management system. It is a system designed to streamline library operations and enhance user experience. But before diving into the system's features, let us first take a moment to explore the symbolism behind EduLib Nexus logo, which represents the core values and vision of our system. So, EduLib Nexus logo is a symbol of knowledge and connection. It is designed to visually represent the core values and mission of our system. So, it combines several powerful symbols to communicate our commitment to education and libraries and the interconnectedness of knowledge. So, this is our logo po. And now let us proceed to the logo analysis. Our stylish design embodies the modernity and elegance, reflecting our commitment to advanced education and library services. The clean lines and the minimalist style of our logo connects book and cup, symbolizing easy transition from learning to achievement. Another symbol of our logo is the graduation cup. Positioned atop the book, the graduation cup signifies the achievement of learning and the pursuit of higher knowledge. It also represents the success of completion of educational and completion and the ongoing pursuit of intellectual growth.
Another symbol is the open book. This central element symbolizes the buzzword of knowledge and learning that is readily available. The open page invites exploration and discovery, representing the continuous journey of education.
So next is the name EduLib Nexus. So the name itself is a combination of education, library, and nexus, which emphasizes or highlights our focus on education and learning and education and libraries, which and learning and emphasizes our role as a central point of connection, bringing together resources, information, and people. So
The overall meaning of our logo, the overall meaning, the Idolab Nexus logo aims to capture the essence of our missions, to foster vibrant connection between education, libraries, and the community, providing access to knowledge and empowering individuals to achieve their educational goals. It is a symbol of learning, achievement, and the power of interconnectedness to pursue a knowledge. Pursue knowledge.
And that would be all for the organizers. So, this proposal po is all about a new system called EduLib Nexus, which will make libraries in high school and colleges better. So the problem is that libraries today are struggling to keep up with modern education, and old systems and inefficient processes are holding them back, which is why we developed EduLab Nexus. It is a new system that uses technology to improve or enhance and modernize libraries. It also combines the functions of both high school and college libraries into one system. It also automates tasks which make things easier for librarians, and it also uses AI or artificial intelligence to make the libraries more accessible and engaging. So, more accessible and engaging. So, the benefits would be the students and teachers will have better access to resources, and libraries will be more easier to use, will be more efficient and easier to use, and the learning environment will be improved for everyone. So, the statement of the problem. So, the problem is that both high school and college libraries face similar issues. First is lots of paperwork. It is because they have to manually catalog books and track their locations, which takes a long time. So next is slow borrowing processes. It is because it is a hassle to return and borrow books because the old systems are outdated. Next is difficulty to keep track of everything. It is because it is a hassle for them to know exactly what books they have and where they are. And the problem is even worse because high school and college libraries are separated, which makes it even harder for them to share resources and help students. So the goal of this study or the aim of our proposal is to create or to develop EduLib Nexus, which will make high school and college libraries better. So now let us proceed to the objectives of our proposal, which will be discussed by Reden Ahon.
So the objectives of our proposal is there are two types of objective. The general, the first is general, to develop and implement EduLib Nexus, a user-friendly integrated library management system for high school and college libraries that improve efficiency, accessibility, and user experience. And the specific objectives is to integrate the library function of high school and college library into a single and unified system. Automated circulation, acquisition, cataloging, to provide online access like e-books, journals, and database, and enhance user experience with AI, such as personalized book recommendation and automated notification, and to ensure data security and generate accurate, comprehensive reports, library usage, inventory, and circulation.
So the scope and limitation. Scope, EduLib Nexus will encompass cataloging, acquisition, circulation, inventory management, user account management, OPAC access, digital resource management, reporting, and analytics for both high school and college library. It will include features for managing various resource types like books, journal, magazine, DVD, thesis, maps, and etc. The limitation is the system will initially focus on internal library operation within the high school and college. Integration with external library system or database will be considered in future development pieces. Service and application offered discussed by Maxen Pri.
Our system offers a wide range of services and applications, including library management services, digital and online features, and administrative and reporting tools. So let's proceed to the first one, which is the library management services. The first one of this part is cataloging. Our system automatically organizes library materials using metadata standards. It provides the capability to manage various types of resources, facilitating access and search for materials. The next one is acquisition. This acquisition, it is process focuses on how obtaining new materials and maintaining the library collections. The next one is the circulation. Our system automates the borrowing and returning process of materials, facilitating the management of overdue items and providing detailed information about user activities. The next is inventory management. This inventory management provides real-time information about library materials. It helps librarians to know which material needs a replenishment or needs a restock. The next or the last part of this one is user account management. Our system allows librarians to access user accounts, which librarians can manage and access user accounts more effectively. So let's proceed to the digital and online features. The first one is OPAC, or the Online Public Access Catalog. This OPAC is an online system that facilitates or search the library materials, allowing users easily access information about book that they want to read. The next is digital resource access. This one provide access to digital materials, expanding the resources available to users anytime and anywhere. The, the third one is automates notification. This automates notification help users to stay updated about their library accounts, resulting in better management of library materials. The last one is AI-powered book recommendation. This one uses AI to provide recommendations to users, suggesting book they may be interested in based on their past borrowing. The last one is the administrative and reporting tools. The first one is the automates reporting. This automates reporting provide invaluable information to librarians, helping us to manage our system more effectively. The next is the data analytics dashboard. This dashboard offers access to data, assisting librarians in making decisions based on their library usage. The third one is the ILM or the Integrated Library Management. This one connect libraries at both educational levels, um, facilitating the management of operation and reporting. The last one is fee and fines management. Our system helps librarians to manage user fees, providing a smoother process about overdue materials.
Let us proceed to the unique features of EduLib Nexus. So we have here a 13 actually, but I forgot to put the last one. So here are the unique features that EduLib Nexus offered. So first is the dual library integration, wherein both high school and college libraries can be managed into one system. And then next is the AI-powered book recommendations, because AI will help you find books based on what you like to read, making it easier to discover new things. Next is the mobile access and cloud storage, wherein it is accessible anytime and anywhere because you can download it through your phone or from your phone and computers. And all the information is saved in the cloud. Next is the automated task scheduling, because our system will automatically send overdue notices, create reports, and keeps track of books. And then next is the customizable user interface, wherein our system is customizable to feel to look like to feel of each high school and college. Next is the personalized recommendations, because our system will learn what books you like and suggest books what you might enjoy. Next is the interactive learning modules, because our system will include games, quizzes, and interactive tutorials to make learning more fun. Next, the virtual reality tours, wherein you can explore the library from your phone and computers in 3D even if you're not there in person. Next is the social features, wherein in this system you can share your favorite books, reviews, and recommendations with other library members. Next is the community hub, wherein our system is a place to join book clubs, meet authors, and even participate in other library events. Next is the advanced search filters, wherein this system will let you search what books you need to find by using keyword or filters, making it easy to find what books you need. The next is the digital asset management. So our system po can handle ebooks, audiobooks, streaming videos, and along with traditional books. So the last one is the data analytics and reporting, wherein this system can track how people use the library and make and provide information or gives information to the librarian to make the libraries more engaging and more fun. So now let us proceed to the expected outcomes.
So, so expected outcomes of our platform, which is EduLib Nexus. So there is two benefits between the users and the librarians. So now let us focus to the users. So first, increase engagement. Increase engagement to the students who are actively interested to read books and participating AI library platforms, because it is easily accessed anywhere, anytime. Then the second one is enhanced learning. Enhanced learning to the student so that they can learn better, deeper, and faster because it is not just about learning, it's all about a better and unique learning platform. Then the third one is stronger community. Stronger community for be able to the student to feel connected, supported, and motivated to learn together, share and recommend their interests and experience through this platform. Then the fourth one is greater access to information. Through this digital platform, user can easily access information what they need. Then next is improve user satisfaction, making the new library a more valuable and enjoyable to user. Then next is improve accessibility, for be able to the student and faculty to use this platform easier or anywhere they are at home, at school, they can easier access this library. Then next is greater user satisfaction. Improve library experience with AI-powered recommendation and streamlined processes. Then next is for librarians' benefits. So first is better understanding for users' needs, allowing librarians to understand users' needs and preferences through data analytics. Then the second is improve resource management. Librarian can use data analytics to identify resources and, and collect the development. Then third is enhanced outreach and programming, allowing librarians to allowing librarians to reach a wider audience and create a engaging program. Then next is improve accessibility, easier to access both students and faculty. Then next is enhanced automation, reducing workload to librarians. Then data-driven decision making, allowing allocate resources. Then next is the overall to be expected
Conclusion. With the
conclusion.
conclusion, Edelweiss is a Edelweiss is a with the conclusion, Edelweiss Spaces offers a comprehensive solution to modernize high school and college library management by engaging uh, both institution into a single AI-powered system to address the common challenges of manual processes and limited accessibility. For, for the expected outcomes, the the significant are I- for the expected outcomes are significant promises to increase user to engage and satisfied by through personalizing recommendation, interactive learning modules, and enhanced digital resources. For the librarians, uh, Edeled Nexus streamline operations provides it provides data-driven insight to source improve source allocation.
That's it.
Yes.
Congrats.
Okay.
one of the feature of your system is automated notification. So Miss Maxine, what kind of data do you need to offer this kind of service to your users? What kind of data is it from your users for you to offer this service? What data do you need? So you need to when you say automated notifications, you're sending, right?
Yes.
Messages.
The the personal information of the user, and then the email, so you can so the system can give you a notification about your due dates and due date of your the last one is the Wi-Fi. Of course, if there is no Wi-Fi, we can send the notification to that user.
Okay, the last question is, you need to convince me, why am I going to buy your system? There's only one answer.
So our system po uses AI. So you need to you need by encouraging you po that our system is unique because it uses AI to automate tasks that was once done by librarians, like cataloging, acquisition, circulation, and it also uses AI to recommend books to the users based on what they need and based on their borrowing history, and also it combines the functions of both high school and college libraries, making it easier for librarians to manage both the system.
That's it? That's it.
Na-addition pa. Addition pa?
Addition of
Addition ka dili. Addition ka dili.
ikaw na lang.
In addition po, we're convincing you to buy our diba? To buy our system because it gives a easier for you because our system has a efficiency and accessibility, so users can access our system anytime and anywhere.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands.
Niliminsan niya ho. Ano na pa yung sumyahon mo?
Ayun ang bisaya ko pinaka-video.
Okay, individually, you got 20 over 20.
Nagkakalang din sa video ba?
Ano sa video ko sa nahuro? And by the group effort, you got over 100. You got
Wala na ako sa
you got 95.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Ma'am. I love you.
Outfit check.
Igan na
Ma'am, di ba naka-black and white?
Yes, Mom.
Pero na nagigipaniyo pa. Nagigipaniyo pa.
Igan na. Igan na. Matula.
Picture na. Picture na kay ma'am.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sa pa dyan. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Thank you. You're the best instructor that we have.
Karon kay dili mata kami memorize. So mao ni video-video lang ta. Oh.
Milestone.
Kauban ako ning mga
In pursuit of intellectual.
mga kauban nato ning mga kuan. Oh.
Oh, binibigyan.
Sip-sip, bida-bida,
Wow!
the financier, the guard. Kompleto ni.
Dito ikaw.
Dakuan. Dakuan, kanang ungol. Namay sa lubin na dyan yung ungol. Nailahing dahil. Guard.
Wow! Nanon sila Drury.
Lay, ayaw, anak, lay.
Behind the scene.
Dapat ang tono na magtatanong, Nick.
Huwag naman kang lay.
Questions.
Gabi kampo. Ayaw, anak, lay. Ako lang behind the scene.
Naluyan ako po. Gumi! Lami na kayo present. Kirang bahala, di ka ito pag basta humanan.
Wow!
Wala so mo ni i-fix sa mga sige memorize ito. So ano masasabi mo nga ito this is the day. What can you say that this is the day? Wala ko kasabot. Why? Kay murag ako kakulba, balod-balod. Balod-balod mo kulba. Sa pud akong nang dira. So ito na mo. So karon nag-memorize ka sa kanang mga. Gina boss. Gina. Dali na ba tayo 1 minute lang. Masay mong ma-feel karon nga nagsample ka kung kakulba kay hion ka. Masay mong na-feel karon nga this is the day. This is the day na mag-defend na. Murag ako'y mag-defend. Mag-defeat ani oy.